Okay, so here's my local development. Now, I'm gonna use this to show you how it works. So this is what it looks like with the plans already synced in from Stripe. And when the user chooses a plan, it might send you to get to log in, but let's go ahead and log in to a test account. So once you log in, like I said, you're gonna see all this starter feature. This is just a test feature. It's not working. It's just made to look like it's working. What's possible with this starter kit. So this is where you would build out your app, your starter feature. This is the pro feature. Now it's probably going to be blocked because on this account I'm logged into, or I'm subscribed to the starter plan. Now we can go ahead and change plans. This is the subscription. So if you're not subscribed to it, you can go ahead and get redirected to your subscription page, which is here. So you go ahead, it tells you what you're subscribed to, if you're active, when it's gonna end, when you subscribed, and you can go and upgrade your plan. Okay, so here when you click the manage button, it's gonna navigate you to the billing Stripe portal, the Stripe billing portal. Here you can update your subscription, you can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel. It's going to show your information, it's going to show your billing information, what you have purchased, etc., etc. Let's say we want to upgrade. So we go here and we go update and we want to upgrade to pro, right? Now you could change this to where you can unlock both features if you're on the pro plan, or you could lock it out individually, but it'll prorate it. You have to set this up in Stripe. Confirm. Once it sends, it's going to hit the webhook, and we should unlock the new feature. Let's see if this worked here. Yeah, there you go. So it unlocked the pro feature now. Simple as that. Now it locked the other one because that's how I have it set up. I can set it up if pro feature unlocks both or individual, like I mentioned. Now, let's go see what the admin panel looks like. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try to log in with the admin user that we created, and I will show you how to set that up in the backend, hard code it, so only this specific email is allowed. You can add other emails in case you have a bigger team. And now we're logged in. Let's see, so here's the dashboard. So now we can go ahead and navigate to plans. This is the one that I just subscribed, that you just saw me subscribe to when I changed. These are all test plans and purchases. Here we go, and here we see the Stripe plans. So I'm gonna include in the documentation a command so you could sync the plans that you made from Stripe. So just to show you a little bit on what this is, make sure on the slug, it's gonna have to have starter or pro. You can name it whatever you want, but make sure it has starter in there. And then the interval, this is all pulled in from Stripe. The price, you're only gonna be able to change it inside Stripe. So you're gonna have to come in here. It'll pull in most of this on its own, but if not, you could do this manually also. Stripe product ID, Stripe price ID. Price, you won't be able to change it. You can add a few features that's going to show and display in the feature card. And what I was saying about locking access is the pro feature is here, premium feature, feature 5, and feature 1. So you can make this specific starter yearly unlock either or both. So that's really up to you. You can modify this. You can add even more features later on that you can unlock. That's really up to you and for your specific project. Testimonials, you can make some here. That would be what is displayed in the home page. Pages, you can make the policy pages here. Facts, if you don't like the facts that are already on there, hard coded, you could either hard code in the code file, or you can make some here. You can write your question, answer, what order you want it, active, create. There you go. Features, this one is for the homepage also. What to expect, this is also part of the the home page. You can go ahead and add all that. User management, you can go ahead and change their name, email verified, password, do all that. Email leads, so when people go on the homepage and add their email to the early access sign up page, or where they add their email, this is where you should see everything. You can go ahead and implement different features or different plugins later on. It really all depends on you. And this is what the dashboard looks like. Obviously, Filament is super easy to add in new widgets and charts. So this is what you're going to get. These are all test payments, new this month. That's the one that you guys saw me transact right now. But yeah, it's fully packed. It's ready to go. It's ready for you to build your own thing.